When dealing with the subject of the Antichrist's servants, research will show that symbols are of utmost importance to the ones who currently hold control. One of the most commonly used symbols in this world is the Royal Coat of Arms. The British College of Heraldry, using a system of guidelines over 500 years old, designed the Royal Coat of Arms. But what makes this symbol so fascinating? Firstly, the Royal Coat of Arms reveals Britain's Hebrew origin. When compared to the Bible, the harp symbolizes Hebrew King David. The biblical roaring lion and the unicorn holding up the shield symbolizes the nation of Israel. However, these are just minor details in a sinister plan. The Royal Coat of Arms as a whole contains all of the symbols referenced in the Book of Revelations, describing the Antichrist Dajjal himself. Do you notice the 10 lions with their 10 crowns in the shield? The feet of a bear, the body of a leopard, and the mouth of a lion. The dragon that gave him power and authority. Has the symbol of the Antichrist become so widespread that it is found in virtually every home on the planet? Veni, vidi, vici. I came, I saw, I conquered.
What do we make of this? If that was the end of the story, that is already strange enough, but there's more to come.
We're talking about a clique, an elite group, whose religion is not the Old Testament, the Illuminati Jews, okay? The rich Zionist billionaires who have grouped themselves together in various organizations and control, as you will see, they control the United States of America, they control Russia, the world's supposed second greatest power, and they control even the Middle East through having the nation of Israel there in its midst, with over 400 nuclear weapons and chemical and biological weapons. And they control the whole world through the...
Aleister Crowley, occultist and father of modern Satanism, is one of the most influential figures in modern Western history. A highly successful British-US spy during the first two world wars, Crowley was probably more known for his decadent lifestyle and satanic ideology. He was called the wickedest or most evil man in the world by the press. In 1904, while living with his wife in Cairo, Egypt, Crowley began writing his most influential book, the Book of Law. He claimed to have written this book while being possessed by a demon spirit named Lam. Lam, he claimed, was a messenger of one-eyed Egyptian sun god Horus. He made a quick sketch of Lam, messenger of Horus. While under the guise of being a spy, Crowley once had a meeting with Adolf Hitler himself. The One-Eyed God's Book of Law is said by many to have directly influenced Hitler. The following was the Book of Law's most central quote.
Do what thou wilt, shall be the whole
In basic terms, the Book of Law mainly asks of its readers to forget God and to believe that there are no consequences to one's actions. So one must do what thou wilt, and that one should do whatever one wants in order to achieve as much pleasure as one can in this world, since the afterlife is non-existent. With this in mind, it comes as no surprise to learn that Aleister Crowley was a 33rd degree Freemason, one of the highest levels a Freemason can achieve.